Welcome to Invest Shark. Today, we're diving into the top 5 investment strategies for long-term growth. Whether you're just starting or looking to refine your strategy, these tips will help you build a solid foundation for your financial future. Strategy number 1. Buy and hold. This classic approach involves purchasing quality investments and holding onto them for a long period. The idea is to ride out market fluctuations and benefit from the overall upward trend in asset prices. Historically, the stock market has shown consistent growth over the long term, making this strategy a favorite among seasoned investors. By holding onto your investments, you allow them to compound, which means your returns generate their own returns. This compounding effect can significantly increase your wealth over time. Strategy number 2. Diversification. Diversification means spreading your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and even cash. This helps reduce risk because if one investment performs poorly, others may perform well, balancing out your overall returns. A well-diversified portfolio can help you achieve more stable and reliable growth, protecting you from market volatility. Strategy number 3. Dollar cost averaging. This strategy involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. By doing this, you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high, potentially lowering your average cost per share over time. Dollar cost averaging can help take the emotion out of investing, ensuring that you stay consistent and committed to your long-term growth goals. Strategy number 4. Reinvesting dividends. When you receive dividends from your investments, instead of spending them, reinvest them to buy more shares. This not only increases your investment's value but also takes advantage of compounding returns. Reinvesting dividends can significantly enhance your long-term growth, as your earnings continue to generate additional earnings. Strategy number 5. Regular portfolio review and rebalancing. It's important to periodically review your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Rebalancing involves adjusting your investments to maintain your desired asset allocation. This might mean selling some assets that have performed well and buying others that haven't, keeping your portfolio balanced and on track for long-term growth. And there you have it, the top 5 investment strategies for long-term growth. By implementing these strategies, you can build a strong foundation for your financial future. Remember, investing is a journey, and staying informed and consistent is key to success. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and strategies from Invest Shark. Thanks for watching.